Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of our JavaScript series. In this episode, we're going to make a meme command. It's not a command that just sends memes, it comes from subreddit, so you can specify a subreddit. But anyway, we'll get right into it. I'll show you how to make it. So first of all, we're going to create a new folder in our commands folder called fun. Keep it all neat and tidy, and we'll have our meme.js. So first we want our command from Sapphire framework, like so. Sorry, let me double check this. Yeah, that's all we need. Okay. Yeah, so now we do our class meme command extends command. Then we have our constructor, don't we? Yeah. With our context and options, and then I believe it's super context thread operator options, and then we set our name in here. So the name is going to be meme, and the description is going to be generate a random meme. Alright, that's good. Now we want to register our commands, so register application commands. Yeah. And we've actually got IntelliSense here. This takes some registering. And now we can go ahead and do registry.register that input command. And then we do our command set name, which is going to be this.name. Our description, which will be this.description, and we're going to add a string option for the subreddit. So set name subreddit, set description, the subreddit to generate from, and we're not going to require it. Whereas if they don't provide it, then we will simply return meme. It would just do a meme. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting provider. They provide a range of affordable VPS plans to suit your hosting needs. And it gets even more affordable. Use code REVELATIONS at checkout, 30% off every month. If you're still in doubt, look at all these happy customers. So we need an async chat input run, which takes our interaction. And in there, we're going to first of all get our subreddit. So subreddit is interaction.options.getString subreddit or meme. So if it can't get subreddit, it'll simply just give us meme as a string. Next, we are going to do const response equals await fetch. So we're using the fetch API now. We'll paste in this link, which I'll put in the description as well. And then we want to encode URI component subreddit. If the response is not okay, so basically if it returns an error, like a connection error, we'll just return the reply. I don't even know if I spelled that correctly. I'm just going to copy and paste it in. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. And I'm going to put content. There was an error fetching a response. Okay. So now we're going to do const data equals await response.json. We want to import embed builder from discord.js, not Sapphire framework. Embed builder from discord.js. And now we can create a new embed, which can have a title of data.title, a footer. In here I'm going to put a thumbs up emoji, and do data.ups, how many upvotes it has. Add fields is an array, and we want an author, with the value being data.author, and then an image, which will be data.url. And lastly, we can simply return interaction.reply embeds as an embed. This data right here is all coming from this API. So if you open this URL in a browser, you'll see why I've put title, ups, author, and you'll understand better how it works. Lastly, we just want to do module.exports, and I believe we just simply do meme command like that. Yeah. So let's go ahead and test it. See you in the testing area. Alright, now we're in a testing area. We're going to go ahead and do meme. Casual dads. My dad's sitting in the living room and my friends are about to come over. Okay. So there's that, 3 likes. And let's do subreddit for cat. Can I have some treats if I do this? Absolutely. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a future episode.